Well, here's something a bit different. I am driving a very heavily customized Tesla Model 3. And the reason I'm doing so is to experience a body kit from a company called ADRO. They're based out of Korea, and they're making a lot of really nice dry carbon kits for a variety of vehicles. They started with the Korean market stuff, Kias, Hyundais, Genesis, stuff like that, and they're really sharp looking kits. And now they're expanding to include the Corvette C8, the Ford Mustang, and this, the Tesla Model 3. Now this car is very heavily customized. It has airbags. It has a fully done interior. I actually really like this headliner treatment. It has HRE wheels. It has just tremendous, you can hear a fake engine noise, which I find hilarious, because if I want an electric car, I want it to be quiet, and you can turn that off. But the owner is a very nice gentleman who let me drive the car, and I appreciate that. And I've never driven a car with the yoke yet, so this car has a performance upgrade where it has 150 more horsepower. Oh my God, that's fast. I drove here in a 911 GT3 Touring, and I didn't want to punch it on him because I knew he could take me. But back to the kit, which is why we're really here. We're not here to review a Model 3. We all know all about the Model 3. What I like about this is that it is sharp, it is simple. It's all the lower carbon bits, and it's really nice looking carbon fiber that I'm going to try not to mess up here at this turnaround point. Oh my God, it's fast in reverse too. Dump the diffuser. The kit runs about $5,500 for the whole thing, which for a dry carbon body kit seems like, I mean, it seems like a fair value to me. I'm not 100% sure on that. They have some more kits for other cars coming out that I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about yet, but I will tell you one is coming out for a certain Japanese rally-ish hot hatch thing that's full wide body. That could be super awesome. Pay attention to that one. But the kit is, you can also install it yourself at home. Some screws, some 3M tape that is included with the kit when you buy it. The owner of this car installed it himself. He said he's installed basically every Tesla front lip on the market, and this one was by far the easiest one he's installed. And that bodes well for the home DIY person. ADRO says they always recommend a professional body shop installer install it. I think they have to say that, but you can install this one yourself, and that is very cool to hear. I gotta punch it again. Oh my God. I'm barely dipping into the throttle on this. This is ridiculous. Oh my, it has like is that like a Burple tune? That's insane. So it is cool to see, why do I care that there's a custom body kit for a Tesla? Because we talk about how the future of enthusiasm is dying with electric cars, and that's not true, and this car is perfect proof of that. My own electric car show, Autopia 29, is proof of that. You have cars customized by enthusiasts. This is the next generation of stuff. I still prefer crazy loud V8s, but I also really enjoy electric vehicles, and I like to see them modified and people having fun with it, and that's exactly what's happening here on this one. It's all stanced out. It looks cool. The HRE wheels are pretty sick. The interior is fully customized. There's a huge sub in the trunk. The air stuff is in the front trunk. It's all just wild, wild stuff. And it's just really fun to see all this stuff being done to cars like this. Car enthusiasm is very much alive. It's great to see. And it's companies like ADRO and others that are help keep that all going. That makes me happy. It should make you happy too if you like cars, if you're an enthusiast, if you like modification. Cars like this getting modified and people being happy with it, it just means there's more to come down the road.